The next designer I want to talk about is Tim Frame. He's a designer based out of Cedarville, Ohio, and the logo I want to share with you is one he designed for a self-promotional. Now, not every logo design you're going to work on is going to be illustrative, meaning it might not have a very elaborate, organic, drawn-out design. It might be more graphic in nature. That's great. But still, you should be drawing out and sketching out your ideas before you jump on the computer. And Tim isn't really executing a design here that is an incredible amount of illustrative work, but as you can see in his sketch, he's still problem solving. He's still going through the elements he's going to have in his visual identity, and he's figuring out what he's going to create before he creates it. Now, it might not be specifically the shape of the final mark, but he's planning what he's going to lay out in a graphic form when he moves to vector. So Tim, when he's working inside Illustrator, he's a master craftsman when it comes to working with type. And most of the type he creates for a lot of his logo marks, and specifically this one, the United Pushers, isn't a font. He actually built that from scratch, and he's a master craftsman when it comes to building out typography solutions like that and distorting them to specific shapes to form in this specific design motif, a circular shape. But he's just great at doing that. If you look at the totality of his work, you're going to see those same characteristics represented in a lot of his work. His attention to how negative and positive shapes relate to one another really balances out his final design, and his limited color palette makes it an even stronger approach.